Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I am going to explain you the comparison operator in Python. So in the first slide, this is what is operator and what is operands. This we already discussed in the last video, but we will check this in short in this video that what is mathematical expression, what is operator and what is operand. So you can see this mathematical expression x is equal to a plus b plus 10. So here we can see that let a is equal to 5. Here we are assigning 5 to a variable a. Here we are assigning 6 to a variable b. And then we are computing the sum of a plus b plus 10. So here the plus sign is acting as a operator and the equal sign is also an operator. So rest all the things like x, a, b, all the variable and all the constant are called as operands, and this plus n is equal to is called as operators. So whenever if anyone will ask what is operand, so what we can tell, all the variable and all the constant is called as operands. So in the next slide, we will see what are the types of operator present in the Python. So these are the operator which is present in the Python. The first one is arithmetic operators. This we have already discussed in the last video. So if you have don't know about this arithmetic operator, please check the last video. And the second one is comparison operator. Third one is assignment operator. Fourth one is logical operator. Fifth one is bitwise operator. Sixth one is membership operators. And seventh one is identity operator. So here this membership operator and identity operator is the special type of operator present in the Python. So in this video, we are going to discuss about comparison operator. This comparison operator is also called as relational operator. So what is this comparison operators? This is basically used to compare the operands. Okay. So like this six type of comparison operators are present in the Python. So first one is the equal to operators. This will check the equality between the two operands. The second one is not equal to operator. This will just check that two variables are not equal. Third one is greater than. Fourth one is less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. These all things you have used in daily in your day-to-day life. So we don't have to discuss much about this. So this all operators will return the result in true or false. Okay, so I'll just I'll tell you I'll show you how we can execute this all operators. So let me start my compiler. Okay, I'll start the Anaconda. This is the tool where we are writing our commands, we are writing our instructions. So now it is initializing the conda process. So it's loading applications. Now it's already started. So we will start my Jupyter lab editor. So we will launch this editor. So still it's launching the Jupyter editor. Okay, now it is started in the Chrome browser. So now I will clean all these things. This is the button which will cut all this selected cells. So now it's completely clear. Here I'm going to create a variable like a is equal to 10. Okay. Then I'll press the shift enter. So now this variable is created in the memory. I want to print this variable. So what I'll write is print value of a is, I'll pass the variable name and then I'll give one space here. So now, oh, something wrong here, not printed. Let me try again. Something is happening. 1 minute. I'll just check. Print Naukri bot. not compiling my code. So what is happening here is some problem is there in this editor today. So I will just close this again and I'll start my counter process again. So, okay. So I'll launch this command prompt. Today we will see this in command prompt because I have some problem in this Jupyter lab. So my command prompt is started. Here I will just type the Python because it is already set in the path. So this is the Python editor started. So here what I will do is first I will create a variable a is equal to 10. Okay, now I want to print this variable a. So I will write print value of a is comma a, enter. So it is printed. Value of a is 10. Fine. Now I want to print. Now I want to take the another variable like b is equal to 20. Now again I want to print the value of b. So I will write print value of b is b. So it's printed the value of b also. Now we will come to our PPT. So this is the first operator, that is equal to operator. So first we will check this operator. I will write print testing equal to variable comma a equal to b. So this will give me result in true or false. So I'll press enter. It is telling that testing equal to variable false. So it means that what? The value of a is 10 and value of b is 20. So we know that 10 and 20 is not equal. So it is telling the result testing equal to variable false. So now I want to test the second one not equal to. So again I will write print testing not equal to variable. So I will pass a not equal to b. Tell me what it will return. So we know that a is not equal to b, and we are also telling same thing in the print statement that a is not equal to b. So it will print true. We can see that it's printed testing not equal to variable true, correct? Because a is not, the value of a is not equal to b. Now we will check greater than. So again I will write. Now I want to create one variable result. Here I will just store the result and then I will print this result in the print statement. So here I will write a is what we are seeing greater than. A is greater than b. Now we have stored the result of a greater than b in the result variable. Now I want to print this result variable. So what I will do is print result of greater than operator. So here I will write result. Okay, now we need to separate this by comma and now enter. So here it is telling that result of greater than operator is false. Why it is false? See, the value of a is 10 and the value of b is 20. So we know that 10 is never be greater than with 20. So it's false. Now what is the next operator? Less than. So we will test this. Result is equal to a less than b. Tell me what it will result, what it will print. So this time it should print true. Why? Because we know that 10 is always less than 20. So we will print result of less than operator and result, whatever value we have stored in the result, that will be printed. So it's true. Next is greater than or equal to. Now this is the case we can check now. So first I will check this greater than, and then I will check to equal to. So we know that this 10 is never be greater than 20. Okay, so if I will test this, so what it will return? It will return false. Okay, let me take one more variable, like we will take a. I'll create one more variable, like a is equal to 10. Now I will create b is equal to 20, and now I will create c is equal to again 20. Now I want to check whether a is greater than equal to b or not, or whether b is greater than equal to c or not. So first I will check result. First result 1 is equal to a is greater than equal to b. Let's check what will be the value. Now I want to again take one more variable. Result 2 is equal to b is greater than is equal to c. Now press enter. Now I want to print the result of both I want to print. So I will write print result 1 is equal to, I will pass the variable name result 1 and then again enter. So here we get the result. So we can see that when we are comparing a is greater than equal to b, so it is returning false. Why? Because a is not greater than b, means 10 is not greater than b, and 10 is not equal to b. That's why it is returning false. Now I want to check the second result. Print result 2. I'll pass the variable name now. Result 2. Enter. So it's returning true. Why? Because see, we can see that here the value of b is 20 and the value of c is 20. So now in the result 2 we are comparing b is greater than equal to c. So we know that b is not greater than c. This is correct, but b is equal to c. This is also correct, because 20 is equal to 20. We know that both are equal. That's why in this condition it's returning true, because it is not greater than b is not greater than c, the first statement, and the second statement is b is equal to c. So here the b is equal to c is matches. That's why it is returning true. Okay, now we will come to our next operator, that is less than or equal to. Same way it will work. It is just the reverse process of the greater than or equal to. So again we will test this. So I will test result. Same way I will print this result 1 and result 2. Okay, but in result 1 I will store a is less than is equal to b. Now I want to print this variable. Print result 1 result 1. So now it's returning true. You can see the difference. Earlier it was false, now it is true. Why? Because here we are telling that a is less than is equal to b, but we see that a is not equal to b, correct? But this condition, a is less than is equal to b, is also it's true, because 10 is less than 20. So it should return true, because we are also telling same thing in the condition. Now we will see for the result 2. Now result 2 is equal to, we are storing b is less than is equal to c. Tell me what it will return. Here the first statement is b is less than c. Is it correct? B is less than c? No, it is not correct. But the second statement, b is equal to c, b is equal to c is correct. So it should return true. Let's check what it will return. Print result 2 correct, it is returning true. It means we are on the right track. So this is all about comparison operators. So in the next lecture, we will see the logical operators, assignment operators, bitwise operator, membership operator, and identity operator. Okay, thank you for watching this. Please like, share, and subscribe this video.